Hi everyone, here we've got Meizu 16th and let me show you how to hide albums from the gallery. So first of all, you have to open the gallery, and as you can see here we've got albums, and all you have to do is to click on the three dots icon and click on hide albums. And now you can choose the album you want to hide. It can be, for example, screen videos. And let's get back. As you can see, the album with screen videos has been hidden. If you want to turn it back and see it back, simply do the same. So three dots icon, hide albums, and in hidden albums we've got screen videos. So click on the switcher and get back. And as you can see, now we've got screen videos in the gallery. So this is it. This is how to hide albums in Meizu 16th. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.